Today we're exploring the journey of María Corina Machado, the Venezuelan opposition leader and democracy activist who was recently awarded the Nobel Peace Prize. Known for her tireless efforts to promote democratic rights in a nation gripped by political crisis, her current whereabouts have been a matter of intense public and political interest. So, where is María Corina Machado now? Let's find out. María Corina Machado has long been an outspoken critic of the authoritarian government of Nicolás Maduro. She was blocked from running in the 2024 presidential election, despite winning the opposition primary by a large margin. After the disputed election results, which the opposition claims were fraudulent, she was forced into hiding in Venezuela in August 2024 to avoid arrest, as the government accused her of conspiracy and terrorism. She had not been seen publicly for 11 months until very recently. In October 2025, it was announced that Machado had won the Nobel Peace Prize for her work promoting democratic rights and a peaceful transition in Venezuela. The Venezuelan government immediately warned that if she traveled to Oslo to accept the award, she would be considered a fugitive. In defiance of a decade-long travel ban and these serious threats, Machado made a secret escape from Venezuela, a dangerous plan, reportedly 2 months in the making. Where is María Corina Machado now? As of today, María Corina Machado is in Oslo, Norway, where she arrived in the early morning of the 11th of December, 2025. She defied her travel ban and emerged from hiding to wave to cheering supporters and reunite with her family and children whom she had not seen in 2 years. She missed the official award ceremony on December 10, where her daughter accepted the prize on her behalf, but she later appeared publicly at her hotel. While in Oslo, she plans to use the global platform to tell the world what's happening in Venezuela and garner international support for her cause. She has confirmed she plans to return to Venezuela, knowing exactly the risks she is taking. María Corina Machado has transformed from a domestic opposition leader into a global symbol of the fight for democracy. Her journey highlights her immense courage and the ongoing struggle for freedom in Venezuela. Now on the world stage, her next move and her eventual return to her homeland will be watched closely. Thanks for watching the channel. If you want more episodes on people involved in high-profile cases and where they are now, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.